Hello guys, we are here with Miming. Oh, as you can see guys, that where our Miming is here then guys. Oh, hello. So you look here. So Miming is here with me guys because Miming loves guys that he feels that always here guys. Gusto niya palagi niya akong kapiling guys. Naka-front niya ako. Ayan, nasa gilid man yan siya kung saan siya gusto pwesto guys. Ayan ang niya ngayon. Bet niya dyan siya banda today. So minsan kaharap ko lang yan siya guys. Nakikinig lang at he's listening only and looking at me guys. While I'm doing video. So you are so very cute Ming oh. Oh, listening guys. Tingnan niyo yung tainga niya pa ano yung ears niya. Because you Ming, you really feel Ming and understand that I'm talking about you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, nakikita niyo kung pa-move pa yung ears niya dyan. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for watching everyone. So, kumusta kayo dyan guys? Nakapagkape na ba ang lahat? So, tayo hindi pa guys, na-busy pa ako. So, I think hindi pa tapos ang paggawa ko sa coffee ko guys. I think I have something that guys, I will do add guys, to complete my my ingredients. Sorry. Charissa. To complete guys. O yun, nalagyan na natin guys. So, it feels complete now and feel good. I think the taste din guys is is good din, no? So, yun. So, today guys, wala akong bread kahit pumunta na ako galing doon. So, hindi mo na ako nag-bread na naman guys. Kaya, yun na guys. Kailangan natin talaga ang guys. Ang tummy natin is kasi magkain pa naman ako ng rice guys na hindi na lang talaga muna, no? So, pang minsan-minsan lang din talaga at sa ngayon lang at this moment. So, I hope you have a nice day din dyan guys over there. Have a great day to all of you na kapag almusal na ba kayong lahat dyan at we have a coffee na. So, shout out to all of you and maraming salamat sa mga lahat ng baguhan nga nag-follow sa akin. Sa lahat ng nagmamahal sa akin, thank you all guys. Love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Mwah and God bless. See you next again. Bye. Thank you for watching guys.